What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with my buddy Malcolm today. Y'all have seen him before. He's my good luck charm. We always get a lot of views when he goes on my videos for some reason, so he has to keep coming back on the channel. But anyways, we're out here on the pond today. Y'all haven't seen this place in a minute. It is a little dry, a little drier than usual, but I mean, it's been like 106 every day, so everything here in Texas is drying up. If y'all don't know, everything is like going away, but we're here. The pond is still here somehow. I don't know how this place is still here. It has gone down a bit, but we're here nevertheless. We're gonna try and catch some fish. We got about 2 hours of fishing, an hour. I don't know, Malcolm has to go get some sleep. He just came right after work after his night shift, but we'll see if we can make it happen. Let's get to it. Yeah, honestly, if you were to take a yak there, you'd be sad, dude. Oh, dude, did you see how far he took my line?
Sure.
Dude, he went running out. First cast in.
What? I see a fish.
You don't see a fish. It's a rock. It's a rock. That's what Ricky would always say.
Oh my god.
You keep getting bit, dude. I think this space is shallow, so you're casting out deeper. That's why you're getting bites. So on Friday? On Friday? ¿A qué horas? You don't know what time? Bro, your wedding's on Friday. You don't know what time. That's a fish. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh, dude. Did you see how hard he fought? That is a nice freaking fish, dude.
Yo, he's stocky.
Look at that fish, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, I bet you that was the most awesome shot ever. It just boom. He like bit once, like dunk, and then he just ran with it, and I was like, ooh. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Oh my gosh, look at that belly, dude. This thing, dude, I thought it was like a 4-pounder. How he's fighting.
Oh, I saw the way
He just, boom. This fish has a lot of energy. Insane. First fish of the day, guys. Not a bad chunky fish. Probably like a 2, dude, 2.5. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Thank you, buddy, for biting. There he goes, back in the water. Black and gold flake Cinco. Dude, you were in the spot. You moved from the spot. Right here, I saw 2 fish bust already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I think that's where I got bit. But yeah, guys, first fish of the day. Not bad. This pond still has fish. That's probably like one of the bigger fish I've caught in this pond. That was a good fish. Dude, after that bite, that was insane. That's another fish. Little dinker. Get in here, buddy. Come on, man. Usually Malcolm's the one slaying them. Second fish of the day, ladies and gents. Dude, they fight freaking hard. He just did it and just ran with it. I thought it was a rock for a second. Not a bad little fish. Second fish of the day. Not a bad little fish. There he goes. Back into the darkness. Dude, I guess a morning bite.
Probably.
Morning bite is on. I mean, this water, you probably can't even, I have my polarized glasses on and I just see the pebbles right here. Like, can't even look down into the pond. It's very murky, so I'm using this black and gold flake Cinco that I got for $3.49. So catching 2 fish for $4. Not bad. lost one, dude?
He took my worm
He broke you off?
right there.
Broke you off? Hook and everything? Or just your worm?
Everything.
Bruh.
Bro, I'm salty, bro. I'm salty. I'm salty.
You're salty. Salty like a Cinco. Salty like a Guggen bait.
Oh, that's pretty salty.
Hey, how's it going?
Good morning. Hey, do you guys mind if I just verify your foot sign real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got
Alright,
it.
thank you guys.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
I lied, dude. Maybe we're in the middle of something. There's a whole head. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Is that a carp?
Yeah, it was a carp.
There's a freaking whole helicopter and like Border Patrol walking. They're probably like, should we tell them? Should we tell them there's a cartel? Dude, right there. Oh, dude, that was a big shad. Dude, the size of that thing. Did you see that? Jeez, why are they so big in here?
Yo, that's good, bro.
Dude, that's awesome. Dude, he's already circled around like twice. 4 years. Oh! Dude, I saw that. I saw that. That was probably on camera too.
Yeah, it was a little one.
I could see your weight.
Take it, and I let him.
Your weight was out of water and he was taking it.
I saw him take it, and I was just gonna let him. I didn't want to wait too long.
Catching a beaner and not clickbait. Oh, oh. There you go. There you go. Get him in, dude. Get him in. Woo! There you go. Third fish of the day, guys. As the chopper is circling around. Dude, that's a nice fish. The thumbnail. The release.
Nice.
There it goes. Oh my gosh. Alright folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day. I caught, how many did I catch, dude? Two. I thought I caught 3. I'm tripping, dude. No, I caught 2. Alright, I caught 2. No, yeah, I caught 2. You caught 1. Malcolm lost 2. There is fish here. There's still fish here. Better than how it used to be. It died down there for a bit where we weren't catching fish at all. I mean, when we first started fishing this, we were catching fish left and right. I was telling him earlier, I literally caught a fish in front of him like back in the day. That's how awesome this pond was, but it went down, so it's coming back up. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments below if you want us to keep coming to this pond. We ran into that Border Patrol agent, which was honestly insane. I think they found like some immigrants on that side, like the helicopter was circling us. Crazy day of fishing, but we caught fish.
To be honest, guys, I think they confused Jacob for immigrant. You know, that's what I'm saying. You know, they were circling us around like 6 times, but it is what it is.
Yeah, guys, I think they're trying to get me, but I'm a US citizen, so not today, fellas. Anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Drop a like on the video. Like I said, drop any comments down below for any future video ideas. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Almost at 500 subs. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.
Yeah.